Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you read by the title, today I'm getting into my updated retwist since I am now 2 years and 4 months locked. If you're new here, my name is Taylor Simone, and on this channel I pretty much make lock content. I also make beauty content and I have talks here and there, but majority of the time my channel is largely lock content based. So if that's something you are interested in, I do recommend that you go ahead and subscribe and hit the post notifications button. That way you're notified anytime I post something new. I'm 6 weeks post retwist and I did wash my hair yesterday. I don't retwist my hair on the same day I wash it. I typically like to retwist the day after. So the reason I personally like doing that is just because I like to make sure my hair is fully dry and all the water is out of it before I retwist my hair. Now, in order to have a good healthy retwist, you have to kind of keep your hair saturated. I'm just going to use my moisturizer. All this is 90% aloe vera juice, the other 10% distilled water, and I just put lavender essential oils inside there. This is what I like to use to retwist. I no longer really like to use like actual gels like retwist gels. I mean, for a regular just maintenance retwist, even if I'm gonna do a style and like I have nowhere to go really, I'm just going to use some aloe vera gel. I have all my little clips and I got my rubber bands because I do plan to do a style. So I have been considering just doing a regular 2-strand twist out and maybe doing some flat twist in the front. So I'm just showing you guys the amount of aloe vera gel I started out with. Of course I add more when I feel like it is needed, but I just go and massage that into my roots pretty much. Then I start the retwisting. I usually do 1 twist around, and then for this section the back 3 have a lot of loose hair, so I grab the loose hair just like you see and I just go ahead and I wrap it all around the base of that lock just so it can join with the rest of the lock and actually lock up there. Otherwise it's literally going to just keep growing away from it. And then I finished up with 1 really good palm roll, and I'm pretty much going to repeat the same exact steps on the next 2 that are in that row. Now for the 2-strand twist, because my locks are retwisted clockwise, the 2-strand twist has to be twisted going towards the left rather than the right. So that's just what I'm showing you guys right here. I'm just rubber banding at the point where the shorter one is, just because I don't like the whole pulling that up.
It's in the air tonight. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no.
I'm just going to finish the back of my head off camera, and I'll come back when I am doing the front, but I will literally see y'all in a couple seconds. Okay, I'm back. I pretty much did the whole back of my head. I'm here to show y'all how I'm gonna go about flat twisting the front. I get a lot of loose hair, so I'm just taking my aloe vera gel. Also, I noticed it's turning like foamy white, but that disappears. I think it's a reaction to the essential oil that I have in my aloe vera spray. But all I'm doing is I'm taking that loose hair and I'm just going to wrap it around to about right there. And then I'm also just locksmithing to clean up any frizz, and then from there twist, and that's pretty much it. Now as you see, a little bit of frizz, just locksmithing. And frizz gone. This one actually has to go under and the one in the back has to go over in order for it to stay. Otherwise it's going to unravel, and that's just because of the direction both of them were retwisted in. And that one's twisted back. And now this one is just ending up as a 3-strand twist just because there were 3 pieces right there in the front. So to do the 3-strand twist, I twisted it, you know, just how I did the first 2. But only thing is I have 2 locks on one side and then one on the other, and I'm just twisting it as if it's a 2-strand twist. That's how I'm going about doing it, and then I will just rubber band the end to make sure that piece is secure. So for this piece, well, section, it's 4 locks. So I braided it towards the top. I'm rubber banding towards the base of it. That way I can actually 2-strand twist between the 4 locks. So it'll be 2 and 2. And I just found that to be the easiest way to do that. Now here, I'm just using the locks in the back to rubber band these pieces in the front back. So it has more of that flat twisted look. Obviously at any point I can take it down and just have it be down, but I just wanted a little bit more, you know, options when it came to styling as I wore the style out. So
no, I don't want to stay, no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you. It's all over. I lost my composure. I got
I look at styles for inspiration, but I can never like replicate them the same exact way in the photos that I look at. So I kind of freestyle most of the time, and as long as it ends up cute, it'll stay in, or I'll make little adjustments here and there. But another thing with 2-strand twists, when you take them out, those wavy curls eat every single time. You really get a 2-for-1 with a 2-strand twist style. Now I'm going in with this edge booster edge control because, honey, it gets the edges slick just the way that I like. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished product. Yeah, knowing me, I know myself. I live for a half up, half down, so that's how I'm gonna wear this. So if you enjoyed this week's video, do give me a thumbs up and also comment down below if you like these kinds of videos and you're looking for me to produce more content like this. That feedback just helps me just so that I actually know. But thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you guys all in the next one.